Hello, welcome to Bespoke Campervan Conversions, and today we're going to take you around what was our 48-hour build, and we've just been doing in between other builds now. So just for a catch up, let's take you in. And here, a nice worktop extension in oak with a back piece to stop anything falling off the back. That closes up nicely. Just here we've put in wine bottle holders, just for the 2 wine bottles. We're not alcoholics, but we like a drink. We've made a pillar extension to house the control panel for the heating system and the USB port, and just to create a bit of a divide really. We've also put in these lovely Mercedes A-Class AMG line seats in the front, and changed the steering wheel from Mercedes E-Class steering wheel. So something else we've done. And as you can see, we've carried on, we've painted all the cupboards, they're all nice. Inside's not so bad, they're all the same, they're all open up and close as they should. Got a main socket and another USB. So the oak worktop's now been done and fitted, the hob's in, the oven's in. We've got doors to go under the sink to make it nice and easy for water bottles that are going to be in there temporary until we put underwater tanks in. Now we've put this splashback in, which is a purple forged vinyl, and we originally looked at it and we thought, wow, it looks really nice, but will it complement the van? And it sort of complements it, but let us know what you think. You might prefer it. Up above we've got the switch panel with voltmeter in it, we've got USBs in it, and we've got a normal cigarette lighter socket in there. In the cupboard we've got rechargeable but PR sensor LED lights, so you can change direction of them, or you can use it as a torch. We've got the fuse board in there. Again, more cupboard space, another PR LED light, and it's the same all the way down. So plenty of storage. Another wall socket there. We've got the drawers. Under seat storage, at the back of the storage we've got the isolator switch, so you can switch from mains to off completely or inverter. Got the fridge freezer, well, fridge installed. The table's going to be installed next week. The bed's back in, doors have been trimmed, and put a pair of speakers in the doors. It seemed like a good place to put them. We've trimmed it around the rear frame and carpeted that. We've got the lights around the roof vent and fan, which is very nice. We've also got 2 bed lights with USBs in the bottom of them. Just here, these are touch lights. They're not switched on currently, but. And then we have a wardrobe, which opens up nicely, and there's lights inside the wardrobe just to light it up. Now it's only had a couple of coats of white paint in there. It needs another couple really just to finish it. Down below it we'll have a porta potty toilet in there, which we can pull out to use during the night if we need to. And then we come to another bed, which slides out with reasonable ease. And that makes up another double bed, which is just shy of a normal double. It's about 4 inches shy of a normal double, and about the same in length. It's shy, but that makes up a nice easy space. So if you do have guests coming with you, and to addition to it, we've also put a nice set of mud terrain tyres on there that are load rated correctly and had the original wheels powder coated purple. It makes a nice difference to the van. Then we have inside the van. This is all nicely carpeted, on ply, all cut to size correctly. The speaker is slightly raised off to allow for a little bit of insulation behind it. Same with this side. That's currently open that one right up. Now all the electrics are in. At the moment I'm running on temporary battery at the moment. The Fogstar batteries are in there. I've just got to finish wiring them all up. Unfortunately the bolts that come with them are a little bit short, so there's new bolts coming on Monday for them. On the right hand side we've got a little diesel tank which is stainless steel, and nice twisted off cap, nice and easy to use. That's for the diesel heater, so we can run that on kerosene or red diesel. Makes it a little bit cheaper. It doesn't use a lot of fuel either. So, but there we go. This is how we are so far and how it's getting on. Thank you very much. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you in a future video. Thank you very much.